Morning all. Well, you'll be unsurprised to hear we haven't moved. We decided to stay another night. To be honest, I probably always was going to. So we're just going to pop into Brockenhurst, get some supplies for the day, i.e. beer. But we're actually going to go the long way round into the village, the way we normally, well, sort of go home along this way, except after the little bridge we go under, we'll turn right and head into the village from the bottom end. Morning. Yeah, lovely day again. Everybody's been moaning how cold it was in the night. Really? Personally, I was absolutely fine. I must admit, even now, in the shade again, it's quite chilly, but in that sun, it's lovely and warm. Don't really know what we're doing today, whether we'll just stay and faff around in camp, or, well, we've got this new I don't know what you want to call it, old bracket stand I can put the camera on. I've attached it down below, so I might give that a try and see how that works. I know what I forgot to mention, there's loads of Dutch on the campsite again. There's some auto jumble going on at Bewley, so they're all over from that, from what I can, well, the few that I've spoken to are. They've all got these classic motorbikes. Right, actually, I shall turn you around now, because we've turned the corner and the sun won't be quite as much in your face. Get up this little incline. Oi, 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 oi. Right. Hold on. Well, you might fall. Saved you. Right, what do you reckon? Oh, hey, maybe, look, God's sake, there you go. Oh, morning. I bet that's a hen do. There you go. Oh, a minute. Of course, that's disadvantage of coming this way and get caught at the level crossing. It's very disappointing. Oh, actually, I forgot to show you where we went for tea. So we came out the station, crossed here. I'll turn you off because it might be a, oh no, there we go. Come on. That's it, we left the railway station. Look. Walked past a pub. is on the right. Right. Picture. Little factors turn around. Right. Oh yes. Cards. Right. Gotta buy an anniversary card. Oh, it's always fateful coming into Brockenhurst village. Oh, you got so many good shops. Well, little independent shops. Bloody hell. Oh, not much of this road. Right, so we'll go back. Well, we brought supper. We might be cooking, well, I think we might have to, because I brought some mince, so we'll possibly be having sort of a camping version of bloody hell, spag bowl. I need to go and get some tomatoes. Oh, I'll come back later. I've got never mind. Maybe we won't be having that then. Idiot. Yeah, so we got that. We got some nice crusty rolls, which we'll have for lunch. We got an anniversary card for my daughter and her husband, which I forgot to do before leaving home. So we done all that, and well, yeah, and we went to the greengrocers and got an onion and some mushrooms for the spag bowl. So we got everything apart from probably one of the main ingredients, tomatoes. Never mind. Right, let's go back to, oh, and I brought the campsite a tub of sweets. They're always good to me, so no point in buying them on the last day if I make it, because, well, they won't have a chance to eat them. Yeah, so I thought we'd come back the scenic way rather than going down the main road. Although, as I say, I think we'll be going back because we forgot the tomatoes. Bloody idiot. Oh, and of course we got some beer. But that probably goes without saying. Hello, little baby. They're glad this time of year when it's not so busy with the tourists around. Munch on that old grass. Morning. Squizzle. Come on, get off the road. Staying. I already paid earlier.
Bloody cold though, last night.
Oh, don't you start. It really wasn't.
It was. The people next to you on the motorbike were just saying how cold it was.
Yeah, well, they're wimps as well, aren't they?
Yeah.
Don't know what's the matter with you, like, it really wasn't cold.
Oh, it's cold in the motorbike.
Bloody hell. That were these people, good lord. You're still here then? Bloody Brockenhurst, there's so many good little shops there.
I know, it's alright.
I just end up spending a blooming fortune and then forgetting I'm only on a bike. Right. Right, well, I'm going to try you out on my new mount. Well, let's see. Why is everybody stopped? Where you going, mate? There we go. There we go. Home sweet home. Well, with this new mount, we can put it in different, put you in different places. I'm not so sure this will be the most flattering angle, to be honest, but well, we'll see. We'll try it. Hold on, let's turn it and put you up as well. Oh, and look, there we go. Oh God. Oh, again, I don't really know if that's going to work or not. Turn you again. Try that way. Again, probably not the best. Oh, and hold on, let's try sideways. Oh, look what's going on. I suppose if you was a bit more level and maybe my hands out the way. Nice to look at the bracken and straight into the sun. Right, try you a different way in a minute. I just thought we'd go for a ride up the camp. We're staying again tomorrow. My daughter and that are coming, and her family are coming down for the day, so that'll be good. So there might not be much happening tomorrow on the way of videoing. I mean, it's not exactly been a lot today, to be honest. Oh God, I'm not convinced on this new mount. I think, well, the only way to do it is to try it. It's blooming chilly in the shade, like me. Whoa. Whoa. Still quite waterlogged in places. Oh. And we've reached the end. Might just I've been up here before anyway.